Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter using malai. First, let's understand what malai is. It's the rich, creamy layer that rises to the surface when you boil full-fat milk and then let it cool. To begin, simply collect this malai daily in an airtight container. Keep it refrigerated for about 5 to 7 days until you have a sufficient amount, perhaps 2 to 3 cups, ready for churning. Now let's get to the exciting part, churning. Take your collected malai out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes before you plan to churn, allowing it to reach room temperature. Transfer it into a large mixing bowl. Add about 1 cup of very cold water or a few ice cubes. Using an electric mixer or a traditional hand churner, begin mixing on medium speed. You'll see the mixture thicken and then separate in about 10 to 15 minutes. As you continue churning, you'll notice the butter solids start to clump together, separating from the thin, milky liquid, which is your buttermilk. Once a clear mass of butter forms, stop churning. Gently gather the butter solids with your clean hands, forming them into a ball. Squeeze out as much of the buttermilk as possible. Then, wash the butter under cold running water 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear, removing any remaining buttermilk. Your fresh homemade butter is almost ready. After washing, give the butter a final press to ensure all excess water is removed. If you prefer salted butter, now is the time to add a small pinch of salt and mix it in thoroughly. You can then shape your butter into a block, rolls, or any desired portions. Store this delicious, fresh butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 1 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.